Evans Yego niwe muhotani wa mahenya ma mita 500 magicigo kira ithiro ria bururi. Yego ahotire mahenya macio akihuthira ndagika 3 na sekondi 46. Mwenene wa atumia Mary Jabi ni uhotanire umetwo thutha ni Rehema Murugi thini wa mahenya ma mita 1500. Nihenyeneria mita 500 mwena wa arume Nicholas Kiplimo niwe wiyukire uhotani mbere ya William Waweru na Timothy Kiplom. Mwena wa atumia Karonya guthini uhotanire no getetera huthira mahenya maya tamehariria ma mashindano ma All African Games maria makanika bururi-ini wa Morocco kuria tanyitwo gukarirukia federa ya Kenya.
5000 nilikuwa nafanya kama speed work. So nashukuru Mungu kwa kuwa coach wangu amenitrain, amenionyesha njia ya kuprepare kwenda Morocco.
For the first time we are witnessing very young athletes, very many of them, and they are running well. Their standard is very high.
Mashindano maya mafagitwo niguo gwetha nguthi cia mahenya iria ikarugamirira irathiro ria bururi thini wa mashindano ma kibururi maria magatabanio kiaro-ini gia Kasarani mweri-ini wa kanana mwaka uyu. Wa Jerometa, Inooro TV.